Hey guys! What I'll be sharing to you is this delicious crunchy pizza bread roll recipe without deep frying it, and instead using an air fryer. You'll still be able to have that crunchy exterior, but without it being soggy with oil. Dip it in your favorite sauce, and you'll have a delicious snack you'll definitely enjoy. Prepare all the fillings first. Slice the hot dog and ham into small pieces. And lastly, the bell pepper. Then let's prepare to fill in the bread and make our pizza rolls. This is also a great idea to make use of your leftover breads. Slice the hard edges of the loaves, then flatten it out with a rolling pin. Then beat 3 eggs. Then add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and mix again. Then prepare the breadcrumbs and the pizza sauce of your choice. You can also use as simple as ketchup if you want. First, spread the pizza sauce on the bread and add a slice of cheese, and be sure to leave an extra space on top. Then add in the ham, hot dog, and bell pepper. Roll it over and seal both ends with hot dog slices. And also seal this end with the sauce too. Then dip in the egg batter and coat it with the breadcrumbs. And now we're ready to air fryer it. And after coating all the rolls, let's preheat the air fryer first. By the way guys, before we start cooking, if you don't have an air fryer yet and you're thinking of buying one, you should consider this COSORI Air Fryer. And I highly recommend this as this is very affordable, friendly user which can also be controlled using your phone and can produce the same result as with the expensive ones. And I have good news for you guys as you can avail 15% discount if you buy this in their online store using my code. And I will have the code and link in the description box. Anyways, let's now start cooking our crunchy pizza rolls. Place in the air fryer basket and cook for 5 to 8 minutes. 5 to 8 minutes because it also depends on the size of your air fryer and how crowded you place the rolls, but you can start for 5 minutes first. And that's it! You can now enjoy your crunchy pizza rolls. Enjoy! Thanks for watching!